Good day, everyone. Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is April 11th, 2023. Here's S&P 500 daily chart. So market didn't do anything today. So just a doji bar, nothing special. Everyone is just waiting for CPI numbers coming tomorrow morning. So if number is getting pretty hot, then Federal Reserve it gives kind of like a green light to Federal Reserve to increase the rate another 25 basis. But if number is going down, that would be substantial bullish signal for the market, and market can just have a very nice rally spiking up above 4200 and probably just the backfill, and then next hike would be 42.55 to 43. Not tomorrow. I would say that's going to pave its way for this target. But if number is kind of like getting into expectation or kind of like above the expectation, so that would be very negative for the market, especially above the expectation. That would be very negative for the market. Today volume was pretty light, even lighter than yesterday. Didn't get to 60 million, so it's just a 59 million for SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF, as we expected. No one is betting on bull side or bear side tomorrow because we will have like very substantial important numbers coming. Right now market is at resistance, so right now everyone is expecting, technically we can expect market have it like a drawdown to here, but all in all, when we see this one has been tested, so this supply area has been tested once, twice, three times, and every single time we are getting lower high. So this is a low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, and this means we are into leapfrog pattern, and that's why this one is initiate bullish consolidation. So it's kind of like in bullish case, we can say this leapfrog pattern, if triggers by tomorrow, then we should see a nice bullish momentum to the upside by end of May. And I should say for the next 2-3 weeks, I just mentioned it last week in weekly analysis as well. For next 2-3 weeks, we will see a choppy consolidation, but after that, we should see a good time is coming for the market. And I'm not gonna be surprised if we see something like this going back to this area to get back to this supply area. So this supply area is 43 to 45, 4400. So I would say that's going to be above August high, and that could be possibly the target for this year. Momentum wise, we are kind of choppy consolidation RSI in the resistance area. So every single time when we got there, we hit the resistance and coming back down. So we will see how it goes this time. If it breaks above this, so that could be going to 70%, which is overbought, and it gives like a very nice trust or boost to the market to the upside. Stochastic wise, we are kind of like again in overbought condition, but seems like we are getting back another bull reversal here. This is not nothing. This is just like keeping the momentum to the upside and nothing more. MACD is sloping down. So indicator wise, we are not in a good shape that we are saying, okay, this is a bearish or bullish. But all in all, the price action is here. It's kind of like a bullish consolidation, especially with these shadows. Again, tomorrow could have like a very choppy, wacky day, either upside or downside. Moving on to Nasdaq, because Nasdaq was negative for the second consecutive day. So here is the Nasdaq. So if we just have a closing, so this is the target price, intermediate target that we nailed, and 13,200 was kind of like the top. And right now, Nasdaq is not forming a bullish consolidation. I know it looks like bullish consolidation, but all in all, this is not great. We should see kind of like a very nice strong price action. However, we had very nice shadow here, but didn't have follow through today. So today volume was light, so we can't take on that. But uh, but all in all, Nasdaq has like a weaker price action compared to S&P and also Dow Jones. Stochastic just going bear reversal. So we got sell signal for Nasdaq, and that's why Nasdaq is in weaker side as well. So nothing special for Nasdaq. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. But here is this another story. Dow Jones. Dow Jones just breaking through to the upside. This bullish consolidation triggers to the upside. We are getting into this supply area, which this QM pattern, to be honest, this is a fantastic pattern, I said, and it doesn't give us a proper dip yet. It could, but it doesn't give us any proper dip yet. So money is flowing into energy, financials, and also defensive names as well. So that's why I give a boost and trust to Dow Jones Industrial. Again, Dow Jones can hit new all-time high this year, as I had my forecast as well. So Dow Jones can go to the upside. And here's the pattern. So this is a very, very nice pattern here. It's kind of like a reverse head and shoulder as well. So here's the smaller time frame. You can see this one, but in bigger picture, you see here is another reverse head and shoulder. So if this one triggers and any close above 34,600, that's going to initiate a substantial rally to the upside. This is a gigantic bull flag as well. So all in all, Dow Jones, whatever I see in Dow Jones, better price action, better pattern, better setup. So Dow Jones bullish, bullish. Not sure for Nasdaq, but Dow is better for now. And everyone is knowing that when Dow is leading, this means market is not in a good shape in overall, because everyone is piling money into defensive big sectors, defensive, energy, and financials, which is not good a sign for market in overall. So moving on to some individual names. Let me go to starting with yield. So here's the yield, another positive day, but look at that. So reacted to this small trend line here, or I should say a wedge, whatever you want to call it. But this one reacted very well. Right now, we just want to see if tomorrow CPI number help out. If it comes very, very above expectation, that can initiate rally for yield. But if this one, CPI, is coming with expectation or kind of like a less than expectation, that can initiate another sell-off to here. And that kind of help us here for the yield, for the treasuries. So treasuries, doji bar, nothing spectacular. 22 cents gain today. So yield was up, treasury was up as well. So treasury, still buyers is there. So there is no weakness here in this symbol for now, and you know that I'm pretty bullish on this, so we will leave it for now. Gold, positive day. So gold was positive when yield was up. So again, inside this white range bar, inside this white range bar as well. So we'll see how it goes. But gold, if it goes down to here tomorrow or next day, or I don't know, in the future, if it comes here, that's going to be a substantial buying opportunity. So keep an eye on this, and we will see how it goes. But all in all, gold and gold miners can skyrocket in 2023. Crude, what a day. So crude just going up nicely, nice bullish reversal here. So this bull flag triggers to the upside, and right now it's just consolidating prior this pivotal point. So any breakout to the upside, 84, 91, 96, and also ultimately 102, which is kind of like my ultimate level for this year. So we will see how it goes. But if this one triggers, we should see a massive rally for crude. And I don't know what's the catalyst for this. Is it going to be another war? Hopefully not. Is it going to be another like a shortage in the market? I don't know. Hopefully not. Hopefully because of the better economy situation, which everyone knows that it's not going to happen. But hopefully market sentiment is going that way, and that's why crude is going up. So we'll see how it goes. WIX, just the uptick today. So sorry, this is for this is just Wix optic today. Pretty doji bar, so it's kind of like a forming a bearish consolidation, nothing more. If it goes down, if it goes up, then coming down, you shouldn't be surprised. But ultimately I'm looking for a lower low for Wix somewhere around here for ultimate buying opportunity. Dixie, just a downtick, nothing spectacular for Dixie. Right now, everyone is saying Dixie is forming the bottom. I should say, I don't know. I'm not sure about this, to be honest, because Dixie is very, very weak. And this is the top for Dixie. It's not going to get back here anytime soon. So this is a multi-years top, I should say, for Dixie. Any pullback to this area could be a selling opportunity. So Again, there is no specific signal for this. Any pullback to the upside could be a selling opportunity. My Dixie level is going to be 95, 96 for the next buying opportunity. And that would be a solid one. Like this can go $5, 5 unit to the upside. But before that, I'm not getting into this right now. So Apple, the weaker side for the Nasdaq was here, technology. Apple downtick today. So it started positive, but coming down sharply and sold off all session. All the entire session, Apple were sellers, Amazon as well. So this one is coming down, retracing back up at $99.92. So it didn't go above 100, which is kind of like a backing and filling, nothing spectacular for Amazon. Meta 90 cents down, nothing spectacular, just consolidation here. Look at this candle here. So we are there, just a bullish and a flip flop to the downside. Lots of sellers are there. So that's why people get there to just as a brief, they just want to release and sell their positions. Right now, Meta had a substantial move to the upside since November till now, more than 100% profit. So you can't believe that, but this symbol in 6 months had more than 100% profit. So why not people just taking some money off the table right now? Microsoft coming down, sharply coming down after yesterday negative bar. It just come down and closed below this white range bar. So this is a warning signal for Microsoft. If it goes below this, which is 271, probably this one is coming down to here, and that's gonna give us a buying opportunity. I'm waiting for you, buddy. Just calm down because I'm gonna get more stocks and shares from you. I have like a 2-3% in my portfolio. I want to just accumulate more, but I want a better price, buddy. Google just coming down 105. So Google hit this gap coming down, still above this pivot, which is 99. I'm kind of like a positive in this name. Look at that. So here is the low, here's the higher low, leave for a pattern. Any pullback could be buying opportunity again to go higher. I'm kind of like a positive in this one, but this one hurt a lot last year, so it has lots of things to do. Netflix coming down, just couldn't get above this pivotal point, coming down. Netflix can still go down to here, 251, 275. That's going to be the level. Tesla, just a slightly positive doji bar here, but it's not that strong. So this is kind of like a pivot going back to this consolidation area going up. So we'll see how it goes. SMH, so the weakness was here as well. So along with technology, big FANG or big tech is SMH is coming down. Semiconductors coming down. So we need to have more follow through to the downside to say Nasdaq and semiconductors are in trouble, because one day up, one day down. So look at this choppy. This is the SOX. Choppy consolidation. It doesn't go anywhere basically. Yeah, one day we have like a big spike going up and then coming down. So it's kind of like a choppy consolidation. TSM, better candle today. Just a slightly follow through yesterday candle. It's not that strong. Needs to go 91. Remember yesterday analysis. AMD, so it's kind of like a coming down middle of this wide range bar and test and then retracing back up. So AMD even after market goes more down. So we will see how it goes, but if it takes this pivotal point, it can go back to this area. So that's going to be ugly for AMD. Nvidia coming down. So this one again, monthly chart, topping formation, weekly chart is getting back to the topping formation. This is not strong. So even if it goes ripping to the upside, that would be lots of short squeeze happening, but I'm not sure. So Nvidia is kind of like in topping formation. You know, I'm into sell signal. I got sell signal and I am into sell position. Very, very short, small position. So don't get me wrong. Even this one gives me like a monthly chart or monthly signal, but I'm very, very conservative about this. This is going to be in my trading. This is not in my investment portfolio. If it goes down, I will be buyer with two hands. So Texas Instrument just 45 cents up. So look at the candle. Again, goes back to this dynamic trend line. Nothing special. Lam Research, nothing special as well. So this is just choppy consolidation. Strength was here today. So financials, XLF going up, getting above this, just a touch above this pivotal point, closing at 32.35 cents. So we'll see how it goes, but financials are getting better and better. KBE, which is large cap bank ETF, just hitting this trend line and then retracing back down. So still within this wedge. So we'll see. We should just keep an eye on this one, KRE, which is very important. Again, another tackle to this trend line coming back down, but 12 cents gain today, nothing spectacular. Hold up pretty well for now. JP Morgan in no man's land, as I said. Anything above this, that's going to changing the zone to the upside, below this to the downside. Right now, pencils down, nothing spectacular. Goldman Sachs, the same thing. So this one just tackled to this area inside this white range, but lots of sellers there. Wells Fargo 74 cents up, and also Citigroup. Actually, Wells Fargo is pretty strong candle, so you should clap for this because this one a better performance compared to the other ones, and Citigroup actually just coming down sharply, so it doesn't follow the entire section, which is kind of like ugly for Citigroup. Moving on to the gold miners. Gold miners spike to the upside, so getting back to this sell signal. Again, consolidation here, that's gonna give us another signal for it's gonna just break through to the upside. So we'll see how it goes. GDXJ, this one as well. So this one is 41.60. So have a nice candle just piercing up, coming down. Again in this pivotal point, getting to this supply area. Look at that. So it goes just to this supply area. You shouldn't expect a parabolic move to the upside. We should see a consolidation backing and filling. AEM, which is Agnico Eagle, again the same pattern, nothing spectacular, 59 cents up. NEM coming down, but not a bad candle, obviously. It goes to this wide range bar, nothing special today, just the backing feeling. Franco Nevada, $1.13 up. Gold Barrick, 4 cents down. So it was mixed. Nothing special. Again, everyone is waiting for tomorrow. So that's why you should see the fear and kind of like a pause in different sectors. The last sector that we covered today, energy. XOP, which is oil and gas exploration ETF, just breaking through above this line. So along with along with crude, energy stocks are going up. OIH, which is oil and gas services ETF, this one goes up as well. So $4.15. Exxon, 81 cents up, bullish consolidation. Chevron, 93 cents up. This is another bullish consolidation. Oxy, 28 cents down. Not a good shape, but if it follows the industry, that could go above this pivotal point and probably triple or double top here. REIG, nothing special, just 14 cents, 2% up. So this one, if industry goes up, this one can go up as well substantially. I'm looking for $12 REIG for end of this year at least. Okay, so I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the chart tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.